Hey guys, Canyon here at MarineMax in Palm Beach. Today I'm going to be showing you this used 2017 SAN PAN made by Godfrey Pontoons. This boat is 25 foot. And let's move to the back of the boat. We'll show you on the back of the boat. You see this motor has a Mercury 300 Verado with just over 300 hours on it, but also has a nice PowerPole to anchor up in that shallow water. Let's hop on the inside and I'll show you what we got up top. Here we are on the top side of the boat. You can see just how big and comfortable this boat is for lounging out on the back. You got these big, wide, comfortable seats. You got two Polk audio speakers in the back right there. Also the subwoofer right here. Move a little closer to the front of the boat. We got more big loungers. As you can see, these chairs just really swallow you up, and they are reclinable. Super comfortable. Comes with the little ottoman, cup holders on the sides here. Here we are at the helm. You can see we got a huge recliner here. Captain's chair. Nice adjustable steering wheel, PowerPole control. We got your head unit, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, radio. We got the Simrad Go 5 here, along with digital gauges for all your Mercury info. This boat does have the digital throttle, which is nice. This boat comes with a lighting package. Here on the front of the boat, you see we do have a big in-floor storage for skis, tubes, whatever you want to do out there on the water. Two more big couches here on the sides with storage underneath. If you have any questions about this boat, call me, Canyon, at 417-229-2517. Thanks.